Down here at the edge of the Withlacoochee River, where freshwater meets salt and tides tell their own stories, a new watch is rising. This is the future United States Coast Guard station serving Inglis and Yankeetown, a strategic post built to protect our waterways, our coastline, and the communities that call this place home. From storm response to search and rescue, environmental protection to maritime safety, the Coast Guard is never far from the water. And soon, they'll have a new home right here on our nature coast. These waters are special, full of seagrass beds, manatees, tarpon runs, fishing grounds, and small-town marinas. People live here because the river calls to them, the Gulf calls to them, and protecting these waters matters. Every tide, every storm season, every rescue call, this station will stand ready. A stronger Coast Guard means a safer coast. A safer coast means a thriving nature coast. And we're proud to watch it rise from the sky. Salt water in our veins, sky in our view, and a Coast Guard station on the rise. We see you, Yankeetown.